What's going on, guys? Johnny with Blaze of Grass Lawn Care, and today we are going to install pine straw. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how I install pine straw, and I'm going to show you step by step with some tips and tricks. So don't forward the video. Pay attention to the video because I have a lot of good information that's going to assist you, especially some of you guys. Some of you guys may say, you know, man, I don't like pine straw. This pine straw is that. But at the end of the day, guys, remember, it's what the customer wants. So it would be extremely beneficial to you to pay attention to this video, because who knows, you know, yes, you don't have pine straw in your location, and some customers may pay you to take away pine straw, but guess what? I'm getting paid today to install pine straw. So come along with me and, you know, learn something, right? Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, is you want to have a nice pair of gloves. And I'm using my ironclad tactical gloves. They're nice, heavy duty, because the pine straw will stick you in your fingers, okay? I've seen some guys that don't use gloves. But again, you know, like anything else, the more you do it, the more you get, I guess, to the point where you don't need gloves, right? But yeah, I do need gloves. All right, so let me show you where we are going to install this pine straw. All right, first of all, let me show you the pine straw. I have 12 bales of long needle pine straw, and the way I charge for pine straw is I will automatically double the price. If I pay $4 for the bale, I charge $8 to install it. If I pay $3.50, then I charge an additional $3.50, $7, you know, to install it. Okay. Now, remember, guys, this is the location where we are going to install the pine straw. Now, when it comes to bed preparation, all of this was sprayed yesterday, so that is an additional cost. The trimming of the shrubs is an additional cost, and I would advise you to trim the shrubs before you install the straw, because this way your clippings will be down there and they will assist you in ensuring that you don't get any weeds in the bed. Okay, and this is going to be a light application. All right, so I showed you the property where we're going to install the pine straw, and the next task is we are going to place the straw right outside of the beds. This way we ensure that we have enough. Let me put you guys on the tripod. Okay, so now that we have the pine straw bales staged, whatever is left back, you start from one corner and you install. You keep moving the bales, and whatever's left back, then we'll place it here. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you guys how. Let me make sure I can get a good. I'll show you guys how I install this straw, right? First thing you do, you grab it here. Okay. Grab it here. And it's out. Some people take this and they'll wrap it around like this and keep wrapping them around and wrapping them around, okay? You take the straw. Shake it lightly, okay? Now, some people like to just grab it, open it up, shake that. Now what you don't want to do, hope you can see me, is take it and go like this. That will take you forever. Now if you notice, I've taken a straw, this is the end, and I have it all the way over here. This way when I start to blow it, I'm going to tuck it under. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and put down my straw, and I'll come back to you guys when it's time to blow, okay? Alright guys, all the straw has been laid out. And ready to be tucked in. So what I did is I walked around and picked up all the ties and put all the bales out. So now we're going to tuck this straw. Now, when it comes to tucking the straw, it takes practice, like anything else, just like string trimming, just like mowing. It takes practice, but once you get the feel of things, then it'll become a lot easier, right? The key is to keep practicing. All right. Now, this is the way that I like to do it, right? Now, you saw, guys, that when I blew, I was blowing at the base. Okay, you blow at the base so the straw can tuck under, okay? Don't blow it on the top or don't blow it right here because the straw would automatically go away. So you blow at the base. So the straw will be tucked, nice curve. Now, what some people like to do is they'll come back with a rake and they'll mash this down with the back of the rake. They'll mash this down. But me personally, I like to leave it like this because in a day or so, it's gonna all compress. It's gonna look real nice. And anytime you come out here to do a service, all you have to do is reblow it. Let's try this. Now, to tuck this little bit right there, what I do is gently just blow. tuck under. All right, let's continue. All right, there you go. Now keep in mind, guys, this installation only took me, look at that, I got 4 bales left. So it only took me 8 bales. 8 bales. Not bad, right? All right, guys, quick Q&A. Does the pine straw last long? The pine straw, on average, lasts 6 months. Long needle, 7 to 8 months. Sometimes a year, depending on the quality. It depends on where you buy the straw, is, you know, what type of straw you get, what is the quality of the straw. Sometimes you get straw with a lot of garbage. Don't worry about it. Just ensure that you check your straw and you clean it up. Also, we purchase our straw in bulk. The more straw you buy, the less it'll cost you as a bulk purchaser, okay? Like I said before, 50% markup on the straw. If I pay $4 for it, I'm charging $8 to put it down, okay? What else? Does it blow away? I've never had a straw blow away. I'm sure that it does. I've never had it blow away from a homeowner's house. What else? Do straw have snakes? There's snakes all over, guys, okay? Does it catch on fire? I'm yet to hear about a property or homeowner home catching on fire due to straw. Again, mulch, hardwood mulch is made of wood, right? It catches on fire also. It is cheaper and it spreads more. All right, guys, if you have any questions, put them in the comment below and I will answer them for you if I can. Other than that, guys, have a blessed one. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. See you on the next one. Pop smoke. Peace. Morning, how's it going? Doing real well, thank you.